Hello friends, I'm Aparna Ganguly. I'm from Kolkata and I'm an ardent devotee of God. इसी सिलसिले में मैं आज अपने एक फ्रेंड से आप लोगों को मिलवाना चाहती हूँ. मेरा फ्रेंड है सत्यकाम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम गुड़गांव, दिल्ली. गुड़गांव, Satyakam,
Hi.
yeah. So Satyakam, if you remember, we talked about your miracles with Shirdi Sainath, who is also the
Yeah.
basically the incarnation of Adi Guru Dattatreya. So
What's that? I hear for the first time. What did you say?
when he is the incarnation of Adi Guru Dattatreya. Okay,
Okay.
Guru Dattatreya is basically the Guru principal who has got all the three Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwara in one body, and he was the very first Guru. You know, the spiritual Guru of humanity. That is Adi Guru Dattatreya. उनके incarnation है. One of the incarnations is Sri Shirdi Sainath. Okay.
Okay.
चलो ये तुमको मैं
Great.
किसी और दिन मैं इलेबोरेटली तुमको समझा दूंगी इसके बारे में. But if
We're done.
when we met, when you had come over to Kolkata for some business tour of yours, you had told me a very interesting incident, two rather, regarding the miracles that took place in your life because of Shirdi Sainath. So kindly,
Yeah.
my viewers and viewers worldwide, over to you.
Yeah. Just to brief you about something about myself,
Yeah, please do. Yeah.
So I've been basically working across the globe, and I visited around 47 countries. And my last position was basically heading India and Asia. So I got this privilege to go around India as well as overseas. So that gave me exposure to a lot of things. Now coming to the fact of Sai Baba, in 2006, I was working for Bharti. They had a company called Field Fresh where we used to basically procure a lot of grapes from Nasik and Sangli, pomegranates and all for exports and all. So one of my friend who was a hard die uh, fan of a disciple of Sai Baba. So he told me, ki, we are in Nasik, let's go to Shirdi. So I said, why to go to Shirdi? In Nasik you have so much good teeter and all. Let's have some teeter and have some drink and all. Why to take that time out and go? नहीं सर चलते हैं चलो ना सर प्लीज एक बार यहाँ तक आ गए हैं तो प्लीज इतना कर दो कि शिरडी का दर्शन कर लेते हैं. So you have Nita Volvo going every day from Bombay to Shirdi. So we took one of the Volvos and we went to Shirdi and we went there and there was an old lady who was near this Dwarka Mai and she was selling some photograph and she gave me a small Sai Baba, this much small Sai Baba uh, photo which was of stone. And she said, आप इसको रख लो. मैंने I asked her why. Said नहीं मैं आपको ही दे आप रख लो आपको मैं 20 रुपए में दे दूंगी. मैंने कहा 20 रुपए में बट मेरे को क्यों दोगे आप. कहते नहीं आप रख लो. And I kept that Sai Baba with me. And while coming back, again we had to come to Nasik, and because we had some work there, and we had to take some bus from Bombay in the evening. And I was into gambling in big way. I was buying a lot of shares at that point of time, and life was all about money, making money, and kind of thing. So we were just standing in Nasik bus stand, and suddenly one guy came, and he said, "पाँच का 50 बना लो, पाँच का 50 बना लो." And I thought, Pranav is my friend. I can always ask him to join you also. So I asked Pranav, यार 5 का 50 बोल रहा है यार, साला लाइफ बन जाएगा, करते हैं यार, चल देखते हैं. I started playing and I went to 250, from 250 to 500, then I went to 750, and then up to 900 I went. And when I was playing this, and whatever number I was putting it, and it was getting reflected, card, and the guy was saying, "Bhai sahab, aap to itna acha khel rahe." And there are so many people who came to that thela where this gambling was taking place, and it was in the bus stand. So there's a lot of people who were there and all. And uske baad kya hua ki then I started losing. And when I started losing, I started losing heavily. Then I asked Pranav, please पैसे दे यार, थोड़ा देख ले, दे दे, मेरा तो खत्म हो गया है. सर हमें तो बस पकड़ना है, मैं वोल्वो के लिए पैसे रख के आपको दे सकता हूँ. So I said, okay, fine, give me. I lost everything. And we just left, and then Pranav started saying, sir, आपको मैंने पहले ही बोला था, इतना पैसा जीत गए थे, आप पीछे हट जाते तो पैसे मिल जाते. I said, Pranav, तो क्या हुआ यार, चल, once we go to Bombay, I'll just give you. Don't worry, यहाँ तो आसपास ATM नहीं है, so चलते हैं. So but suddenly something struck me. I said, Pranav, यार साला ये आदमी साला गया कहाँ पे, अभी तो हम यहाँ खड़े हुए थे. Then we went to the same spot, and that guy was not there. and there were so many people. And I asked this guy, you know, आसपास एक पान का शॉप था और एक कोल्ड ड्रिंक बेचने वाला था. मैंने कहा भाई साहब यहाँ पे वो ठेले वाला. कहता कौन ठेले वाला? मैं बोला बॉस अभी तो खेल के गए, यहाँ पे इतने सारे लोग थे, इतने सारे लोग जमा हो गए. कि भाई साहब क्या बात कर रहे हो, ये तो बस स्टैंड है, यहाँ तो बस आता है, ये बस का रोड है, यहाँ कौन खड़ा होगा? You know, then it struck me in my life that maybe this was one of the lessons which I should have learned before that I should be away from gambling. And that was the first and the last day that I did some speculation. So whatever I do today, I don't speculate anything. And when I don't speculate, it gives me return. And the day I speculate, you know, I don't get anything. And that's the biggest lesson for me and Pranav. Pranav was okay, he was not there, but anyways, he was a witness to all those things. So that was one instant which turned my life. And after that, I don't buy any share or kind of thing anywhere. If I buy also, I don't speculate कि मेरा कुछ हो जाएगा instantly. I don't go into any gambling. I don't do anything. So I'm happy. So anywhere, any of the.
मतलब जब तुम जब वो ठेले वाला जो खड़ा था वहां पे, तो तुमने पान लिया कुछ लेने के लिए, तुम घूमे और फिर जब वापस मुड़कर देखे तो वो ठेला वाला कहीं भी नहीं था.
Within 1 to 2 minutes, no one was there. Even the shopkeepers who were standing there said कि यहाँ तो कोई था ही नहीं. We asked, we were there, भाई हम खेल रहे थे. कहते हम तो आप देखे ही नहीं आपको. But हमें पता नहीं चला हमने कहाँ खेला, हमने कहाँ पैसा दिया, क्या किया. I really didn't know. And only at that time what I had, because I lost all the money, only I had that photo of Sai Baba with me. Because that lady gave me, no, at 20 rupees. और तो सब मैं हार गया, खाली वही बाबा ही मेरे पास थे. उस बाबा के साथ बॉम्बे गया. और प्रणव के पास जो पैसे थे, तो that only happened. So
Pranav also remembers this. Pranav also remembers this incident.
Yeah. You can always ask him. You know, he's a proof. He also
वो
doesn't
तो
believe
ऑलरेडी
that.
भक्त है, वो तो ऑलरेडी साईं बाबा जी का भक्त है.
He was the guy who took me in 2006. उससे पहले तो I never knew what Sai Baba is all about. And then I came to my hotel room, and when I realized, I thought that is something a big lesson for me. No speculation. Then in 2006 this happened, and in 2007-8 I went to West Africa. So I was posted in a place called Mali. So it's in Mali's capital is Bamako. So this is a remote place in West Africa. So something happened there. I was working there. Suddenly मुझे death threat मिला और मुझे 24 घंटे का टाइम दिया गया, नहीं 24 नहीं 48 आवर्स का टाइम दिया गया फ्राइडे नमाज के बाद कि भाई यू हैव टू लीव द कंट्री. तो मेरे सर पे बंदूक रख दिया गया और मुझे बोला गया कि भाई आप 48 आवर्स में यू हैव टू लीव दिस कंट्री, अदरवाइज वी आर गोइंग टू किल यू. So I didn't have any option. And in 2008 and 2009, you didn't have any Indian embassy there in Mali. So I called up the Indian embassy, which was in Senegal. So at that time, the ambassador was Parvati Vyas. So when I called her up, she told me that, you know, we can't do anything because Mali doesn't fall under our thing. We are in Senegal, but there is a consulate. So what normally happens in those countries where you have good Indian businessmen, so they make them a consulate of that country. So you go and get in touch with Mr. Lalwani. So Mr. Lalwani was a big businessman, and he was our competitor also. And for last 1.5 years when I was there, I never went and met Mr. Lalwani. So Lalwani मुझसे मिलेगा क्यों, you know? But मेरी तो जान पे आई पड़ी थी, तो I had to go to meet Mr. Lalwani. So I went to meet Lalwani, and when I was talking to him, so I was disturbed automatically, and I have this Sai Baba locket on this. So there's a Sai Baba in my locket, and when I was talking to him, just this locket pour out of my t-shirt, and also he saw, अरे ये क्या है? So आप ताबीज में विश्वास करते हो? मैंने कहा ताबीज नहीं है सर, इसके साथ साई बाबा है, तो मैं बाबा में विश्वास करता हूँ. तो शिरडी कितने बार गए हो? मैंने कहा सर मेरे हाथ में तो नहीं है, बट जब भी टाइम मिलता है, जब वो बुलाते हैं, मैं अपने आप चले जाता हूँ. इट्स नॉट डिसाइडेड, आई डोंट प्लान. But whenever I go to Bombay, I always try that I go, and sometimes I'm able to make it and sometimes I'm not able to make it. So कहता है मेरे को, कहता है अच्छा तुम बाबा के भक्त हो तो फिर मेरे को तुम्हारे लिए कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So मैंने कहा आप भी मानते हो साई बाबा को? कहते मैं साई बाबा के कारण ही यहाँ पे आज हूँ. अच्छा तो फिर he asked me कौन से वाले साई बाबा को मानते हो? मैंने कहा सर शिरडी वाले को. कहते अच्छा. Then उससे मुझे फिर क्या बोला, हाँ, then he told me कि you know ऐसे तो आप जा नहीं पाओगे because there is no flight, you know, because those are very different kind small countries in West Africa. You only have weekly flights. तो क्या सोचा तुमने? मैंने कहा सर पता नहीं क्या सोचा हूँ, बस लोगों ने कहा आपके पास आना है, मैं साईं बाबा का नाम लेके आपके पास आ गया. तो कहते बाबा ने तुम्हें सही जगह भेज दिया. तो so he used to import containers. So his one container was coming from Ghana. So he said one of my container is coming from Ghana. So what you do is basically in Ghana I know another guy, one of my friend. You sit down is in this container and you cross the border of Ghana, and this container guy will make you cross the border of Ghana, but you have to pay $200. So I packed up everything of mine and I crossed the border. And those 16 hours I can't believe, because मतलब 16 घंटे मेरे को खाना पहुंचने में लगा, टेमा जाने में. And then I met the guy who he told. Then he got my visa done, and from there I came to UAE and came back to India. So that's because otherwise I would have been killed. You know, these guys, when they say you that they'll kill you, they'll kill you. And recently, you know, like on 17th of March 2020, my mother, she was diagnosed by pancreatic cancer. So her weight was, and that was stage 3 advanced. So all the doctors, they said that, you know, she is not going to be alive more than 6 months. So and we wanted to go for chemotherapy, but मन नहीं मान रहा था. जब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि 6 महीने तक ही जीना है, तो कीमो देके क्यों एक इंसान को आप तंग करो? So I wanted my mother to be happy and enjoy those 6 months. So the workstation where I work, there is a Sai Baba photo, you know. So I was just crying near Sai Baba, and I just typed in my Google, you know, who is the person, like if there is any alternative treatment for in Ayurvedic or homeopathic in this for this pancreatic cancer. So I just typed, and the name evolved of a person called Belundu Maharaj, Belundu Vaid.
Arvind.
Yeah, and he's a Padma Shri. He stays in Rudrapur. So, and I just called him up, and he said me, what cancer your mother has, because I don't take any cancer other than pancreatic cancer. Just think of it. So I just said, you know, my mother is only having pancreatic cancer, and I really want to survive. He said, you know, your case has been too much, is gone too much far, but I can still try. Why don't you bring your mother across to me? So I just left from Delhi in April. I stayed with that ashram for around 40 days, and he was actually able to bring the cancer cell down. So destiny was different, you know, but she went, and always I used to say to Sai Baba, "Ki Baba, I don't want to give any painkiller to my mother. You want to take, you just take her, and she should be happy." And that only happened. We had morphine injection and everything, but she never had to take any painkiller. And when she went, when she went, she was in my hand, and I gave her the morning bath and everything, and she went away so peacefully. She was smiling when she was going. So I can't even. Those are the things, you know. Once you think back, you know, you think those are the things which makes you believe more in this kind of things, that things happen.
Destiny.
Okay. And as a son, what did I wanted? I never wanted my mother to go through the pain, because cancer, I knew that pancreatic is one of the worst cancer. You know, even Steve Jobs could not be saved. So in US kind of things, वो उतना treatment तो हिंदुस्तान में भी नहीं है. So at that point of time, only you will want that your this. So we all were together, and भगवान ने कोरोना भी उसी टाइम करा दिया. Whole family was together. हम हॉस्पिटल भी नहीं लेके गए. My father was there, my all granddaughters were there, my sister was there. So she was with all of us, you know. So it was for us, it was a blessing kind of a thing. Otherwise, kids would have been in the school, wife would have been working somewhere else, I would have been also working somewhere. My father would have been only alone. So we were in the same house. So all our desires were fulfilled and all, and that's all I can say. And I have the photographs also. When one day before, when she was going, you know, she told me कि तुई तो हमार छेले ना, तुई तो हमार, you know, Sai. So I can't, because I used to believe in Sai Baba so much, and she started believing in Sai Baba so much because I used to believe. So those kind of things she said and went, you know. So today I have her photo and I have Sai Baba before her, and every day whenever I pray to Sai Baba, I only say, wherever she is, let her be happy. That's all, Baba. What you have done, you've done. So I didn't want it any more suffering. If she were to live for more 2 years, with one side paralytic and having this kind of pain, that would be much more worse for us. So he listened, like whatever the prayers were there, he listened to it, and she went very peacefully. So from the day she has gone, people say that business has been hard, and I'm getting more and more business. Upon my own belief that I've just signed a contract with one of the biggest sulfur company in Turkey, and they want to enter into Indian market and Bangladesh market, and they just said, Satyakam, we want you to represent us and sulfur. मतलब भगवान दे रहा है, and I'll always say, parents are parents. हम भगवान को तो मानते हैं. अगर आप अपने माँ बाप की सेवा करो, तो भगवान की सेवा अपने आप ही हो जाता है. Whatever you have to do your karmas right. That's all.
Yeah. Thank you.
Anything else? It was so good to speak to you.
Yeah.
And thanks for tuning in.
Thanks also to you, Satyakam, for narrating your story of miracle. It was waiting for a long time. मैंने तुझे बहुत पहले भी बोला था कि तुम जो इतना बाबा लाइक शिरडी साईनाथ पे जो तुम्हारा इतना अथाह विश्वास है, so you should share it with the world so that people also benefit from your faith. Also the fact that you are as a soul, like कितने आजकल तो हम लोग देखते हैं सब old age home वगैरह में. I'm not saying that all children are like that, but there are many children like thankless also who leave their parents, like as if they never existed. ऐसे भी हैं. लेकिन उस जगह में तुम जिस प्रकार से अपनी माँ की सेवा, अपना सब कुछ काम वाम छोड़ के तुम माँ को निला रहे हो और माँ के साथ लगे हो, तो this also, I think attracts the blessings of the God, because अगर हम लोगों ने अपने शास्त्र पढ़े हो, ये भी बोला जाता है कि आफ्टर the God के छवि के जो बिल्कुल करीब है वो पेरेंट्स हैं. Like parents are the just after the God, like guru and then parents.
And Aparna, one thing is there, what has happened after that, is sometimes I feel that देखो हम तो अपने माँ बाप को बहुत प्यार से रख रहे थे, और कितने सारे माँ बाप हैं जिनके बच्चों ने उनको बाहर निकाल दिया, आश्रम में भेज दिया, पूछते नहीं हैं, but they are surviving. In fact, देखिए, this is also karma. They want to die. And someone who has been taken care by, we loved our mother so much, but I think this is all karmas or kind of thing. Some people who want to go away, they are not able to go away because of their karmas and kind of thing. And someone who doesn't have that age, she went away at 73. Her birthday was on 7th of July, and 20th of July she went away. And sometimes ये लगता है, और जिनको जाना है वो क्यों नहीं जा रहे हैं, और जिनके पास सब कुछ है वो क्यों चले जा रहे हैं. That's a question which always basically revolves around me.
Haunts you.
And yeah, and sometimes when I see in 95 years old, or say 90 or 85, 86-year-old suffering, but still not leaving this world. In that case, I think my mother didn't have any problem other than cancer. Her kidney was fine. She was doing everything well, kind of thing. Why God did it, But I think there are a lot of things where you don't have answers to these all things. You have to just accept it. Ab Durga Puja aa gaya, and it has just started. You're taking a wrong time interview with me, because it makes me a lot of sentiment.
any time is God's time. God के लिए मैं कभी भी तैयार, और सबको तैयार रहना चाहिए. Because एक बात जो मैं ये जानबूझकर कर रही हूँ, why I want to spread the news of God, the miracles of God, is because हमारे दुनिया में बहुत नकारात्मकता है यार. People are very pessimistic, बहुत खिंच गए हैं lowly living and negative thinking में. They're committing suicides and things like that. You must have heard versatile people. So just if by listening to our conversations, if they get some renewed hope, who knows, God is there and His blessings are also there. Chalo, anyway, thanks for being with me and for this show, Satyakam. I hope we see more of you with more stories. Okay? Thanks for being with us.
I'm happy with those stories to live my life.
Good night.
Thanks a lot for your time and asking.
Good night.
Bye bye.